Yes, dear friends, now we are going to discuss about 8th standard social science subject, none other than that is the meaning and importance of political science. Political science, we studied about the political activities of state and central government. So, in this chapter, we shall learn about the political activities of our countries studied by political science. So, what are the uses, what are the importance of political science mentioned in this lesson? The introduction and table of content, objectives, the concept of political science and importance of political science, point to remember and trivia. So, we shall learn in this chapter about the introduction. First of all, we shall learn what is political science, which is study about it. See, political science is one of the social science, like other science, social science, dealing with the political activities of man. Particularly, political science, which is dealing with the political activities of human being, and it deals with the state and government. State and government dealing. It studies the origin, and nature of state and forms of political institutions. So, the political science is studied about political activities of man and dealing with state and government. And third point, which is study about the nature of state, origin of state and forms of political institutions. So, these 3 points are studied by our political science. Last one, the study of state is the main subject matter of political science. So, what is the main subject matter of political science? The study of state. The study of state, that is the main subject matter of political science. What are the objectives of political science? Here mentioned the 2 points. The concept of political science. What is political science? What are the activities of political science and state and government relation? And then what are the importance of political science? So these 2 important factors discussed in this lesson. First of all, concept of political science. Here, the political science concept, which is a subject of study political science, begin with the Greeks. The political science that was begin from the Greek. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Politics were come from Greeks first of all. So here the other person talked with about political science. See, that political science will come from first of all Greek. And Greek philosophers like Socrates and his disciple of Plato, great political thinkers. So these are the important ethics persons. So Socrates and also Plato. So both are important political thinkers, has given the definition of political science. Plato, in his famous book Republic, dear students, remember and written in your mind what is the famous book written by Aristotle or Plato. Plato is a famous book written by him that is called Republic. For the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government. The political science factors consisted in the book of Republic written by Plato. So what were the discussed matter in the Republic? The nature and functions of state and government mentioned in the Republic book. See, the Republic of Plato, Alan Bloom. See, this book was written by Plato, that is called Republic. The Aristotle, the thinker. Next place after the Socrates, Aristotle, and the student of Plato is recognized as the father of political science. Who is the father of political science? Here, the Plato was the father of political science for his valuable contribution to its growth and development. Political science, which is developed by the great and valuable contribution by Aristotle and Plato, but here the father of political science, none other than he was Plato. Okay, so Aristotle and Plato, Socrates, they have given more and more contribution to the development and growth of political science. He wrote the first treatise in political science called The Politics. The Politics word comes from him. In this famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin and development and functions of state in his politics books. What is the great book written by Aristotle? The Politics. What is the great book written by Plato? What is that? The Republic. The Republic book was written by Plato. The Politics book was written by his disciple Aristotle. Okay, see the picture of Aristotle. Kautilya, you know, one of the great economists, and work on economics also has more information about political principles. Here, the political principles received from the written of economics by Kautilya. So these are all the principles written by Kautilya. These words are helpful to the development of political science and growth. Greeks used the term politics for the study of state. They used the first politic word for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city-state and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. Okay, the Greek uses the politics word which derived from the Greek polis. Polis means city-state, and thereafter which deals with the affairs of city-state, and also the working was called politics by ancient Greeks. See, politics is derived from the Greek word polis. Polis, that means city-state. Okay, okay, students, what is political science? Political science is study about the state and government and political activities of human being and nature, original and development. Everything also studied by the political science. So, politics word derived from Greek word part in the name of polis. The polis means the city-state. So, see Aristotle giving some suggestion to the people, the origin and development of political science in Greek. Political science studies the origin, already I have told you that, development and nature and administration and what type and what the scope of state and rights and duties of the citizens. Political science is study of all facts of states. That means political science mainly concentrate to study about the state. The political science discussed in that matter origin, development, growth, administration, nature, type, scope and rights and duties of citizens. So, as the citizen of I and we should know what are the duties and rights of our state and country, isn't it? So, these are all the principles were given by our political science. We should follow it. Political science is also the study of past, present and future of political institutions. How they are past, how they are is in the present, how will they in future of political institution discussed here, and political functions and political theories, study of state, government and human political activities is called as political science. Already you know that the political science which study about the Now, yes, friend, the knowledge of political science is essential in the present age. The political science knowledge very useful for us. Without the knowledge, we are not able and successful in our society because everyone doing politics. So, the progress and also development of a state depends upon the thinking, knowledge and political involvement of the people. So, any state, any country, the success is behind the knowledge and awareness of the country people. So, the participation of the country people in political activities that will be success the country's development. Otherwise, not development, because each and everyone should have the thinking and knowledge and political involvement are very essential to the success of government. Political science helps to understand the birth and growth of a state. The second point important. The political science which gives us and understand us the birth and growth of state. When the state growth and when birth and development, everything also mentioned in the political science. So we are the student of political science. We should learn it and get knowledge and go ahead. So it gives us importance. Third point, it provides information about the type of government, what type of and which type of government is ruling now. You should know by the study of political science, and political activities involved in the functions of the state. So these are all we are knowing through the study of political science. Okay. So types of government, democratic government or dictatorship government. Which is the government existed? What were our contribution? Everything also aware and knowledge has given by political science. The political science provides more information about the origin of state and development of ideas. So these are all ideas and the origin, everything studied by political science. So it had more importance. And such as monarchy is there, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peaces. Everything also mentioned in the political science. We have studied, and on the basis of such information, we are going to forefront to develop our country. It provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. We study through the political science the structure and functions of the state and government. That's why the political science is very important for us, and it has its more important. And political science helps to establish a modern welfare state. The government existed for the welfare of human beings, isn't it? So, which is studied by the political science, so which helps to establish modern welfare state, to provide some like education facility and other facilities also. The political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. Nowadays, we are able to know about our constitution and the laws and principles, everything through the study of political science. So, our constitution of India, preamble of India, and secularism, everything also, law and order, the political science textbook gives us everything, rules and regulation of our constitution and our country's principles. Political science helps to understand the origins of the government, that means the legislature, executive, judiciary and their functions. So, any country's important three pillars. What were the three pillars of a country? One is executive, judiciary and also legislature. So these are the three pillars of the state. We are studying these three pillars of the state. On the basis of these three pillars, the government and the country become developing. Okay. So the legislative branch and executive branch and judiciary branch are three pillars of our state, helpful to all human beings. So this knowledge should be studied by human being through the political science. Political science develops political consciousness and awareness among the people. The people do not know political awareness and knowledge. When they were involved to study about political science, they have the political consciousness among the people, and it keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. The study of political science which encourage and give enthusiasm to the all human beings among the people to alert and active participation. The knowledge of political science helps to raise good leadership and good citizen. The knowledge of political science which gives the good leadership and good citizen also. So that is important. Political science helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties and political federations and local bodies. So these are the three important political institutions. These institutions importance have mentioned in the political science. So we are studying the political institutions, political parties, federations and local bodies through the study of political science. So it had its own importance. See, the political parties and federations and local bodies. Local bodies means Gram Panchayat, Village Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Jilla Panchayat. So the political science provides the knowledge of international relationship also, especially the occurrence of wars among nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. So political science which helps to any country leader to aware the importance of peace and cooperation during the war time to maintain the peace, which is studied by the political science. Thus the study of political science helps us to understand the need for a state. Each and every country, they have their own state, their own constitution, their own principles and rules and regulations. So that is need for a state and good governance also of the state, the role of the leaders and people's participation. So these are all important by the study of political science. It helps the people to become good. Political science helps to make the people as good people and responsible people and cultured people and active citizens of country through the study of political science. So political science is very essential to study us. Yes, dear student, one question is there. See, what is political science? Political science is one of the social science. So that is dealing with the political activities of a man. Over. Okay. Next one. Who is recognized as the father of political science? See, Aristotle, the disciple of Plato, ancient Greek thinker, and the study of Plato is recognized as the father of political science. See, Plato is recognized as the father of political science. So that is very important for us. We will give some summary about that one points. Political science, here important leaders from Greek philosopher Socrates, his disciple Plato were great political thinkers, and Plato is famous book Republic for the first time discussed the nature and functions of state and government in his Republic book. And Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contribution to its growth and development. That's why he was the father of political science. Fourth point, political science helps to understand birth and growth of state and which provides knowledge and constitution, laws and state, and helps understand organs of the government like legislature, judiciary and executive and other functions. Some interesting trivia for you. The word politics appeared in English around 1460 as the title of a book by Aristotle. Second one, politician originally meant a schemer or plotter, a shrewd or crafty person. Okay, student, the first lesson in political science in 8th standard, the meaning and importance of political science over. Thank you. I will come back next class in next lesson. Thank you.